Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Arun Automation Academy. So in this video, we'll be looking into page object model. Page object model, what is it? Why we need it in automation? Page object model is nothing but it is a design pattern used in automation testing. Each web page is represented as a class, contains locators and actions. Test interacts with page classes, not UI directly. So page object model is nothing but we will be having all the locators and the actions in one page, and uh, we'll be writing the script in another page. For example, I'm having all those locator in one page and I'm doing the scripting in another page. I'm just like if I have to tell in Selenium words, I'm just extending those things. I'm creating an object for the page and I'm using everything that is there here. So that's what we are doing when we are talking about a page object model. So for example, we'll take some login page. Okay, so for each and every pages, for example, if we have 5 scenarios to test, we will be logging in with in the all the 5 scenarios, right? So first thing will be logging in. So we need to automate the login functionality first. We can't do it for all the pages. Like for 5 scenarios, I'm doing like filling the email field, password field, and clicking the login page. If I'm doing for 5 pages, no, that will be hard. So for that one, we are using this POM structure. What it exactly do? We will be having one separate login page. We will be importing that one. We will be creating that object for that particular login page, and we'll be using for the 5 scenarios. Got it right? It will be the first step. And if in login page, if that locators got changed, we just need to change in this particular login page locators. That's it. We don't need to worry about all the 5 scenarios here, because if we change here, it will affect here also. So that's what page object model is needed. Okay, what is page object model? I have explained. And why we need avoid duplicated code. In 5 scenarios, we don't need to write each and every time. So that is the easy maintenance when UA changes. When UA is getting changed, the login functionality locators is getting changed, you just need to change that particular locator. I have the real-time explanation demo as well. I will show you. Cleaner and readable test. Yeah, it will be there. And industry standard approach. So that's it will be there. So you just need to know this what it does exactly. In interviews, they won't ask you to write the code and all. They will check whether you know what is a POM and you have worked on it or not. That's it. Next one is. Why POM? Because Playwright supports auto waiting here, strong TypeScript support is there, and encourages clean test architecture, perfect for scalable automation frameworks. Okay, you need to know these things as well. You just take a note whenever I'm changing the slides. Make the note of it when they are having asking in the interview. Just need to tell those things. So without POM, see, await page dot fill. So take this as an example for this one. And if you are passing like username, password, or login, we don't need to pass it in the, as I said, in the 5 scenarios. 5 test files are there. You don't need to pass it everywhere like username, login. We don't need to pass it. We just need to have one separate file for login functionality. That's it. And it is hard to maintain as well. And duplicate code, it will be that, yeah. With POM, clean code, reusable methods, easy maintenance. Yeah, this is the main functionality of the POM. Await login page dot login. I'm just calling the login page, the login method here. Okay, login function here. Admin password. That's it. Okay, admin password in the sense username and the password. We'll be having one separate function. Clean code, reusable methods, and easy maintenance. Basic folder structure. I will show you with this real-time demo. Okay, login page. Using POM integration, we will be creating a page object. We will be calling the reusable method. Write assets only in test files. I will show you that as well. Real-time automation project, where it is exactly mostly used. It is real-time automation projects, enterprise frameworks, and team-based testing. Yeah, these are the things that will be using it. Common. We should not put assertions inside the test class on huge page project hard coding test data. These things we should not use this one. Only reusable things will be used in the POM. Like wait, if we have some handle some logic on the time we can use waits, login page. Where what are the things that will be reusable again and again? No, for that one you can use. For example, after login we will be having some prompt like reset password or something. On the time you can use that one. Cross maintainability, scalability, and must know. Okay, okay. Yeah, these are the things I will be. So we can take this as a part one, and I will show you guys to like advanced things as well. Okay, okay. Now I will show you the real-time demo. Okay. So first what I have done is this is the login page. Okay, this will contain all the locators as well as the actions. What I will be doing in the login page, I will just go there. I will just log in and click on the submit button. How we have to make it reusable? That's what here the thing is. We import page from Playwright. Page represent one browser or tab, only one browser or tab it will be there. So I'm just importing page. I don't need expect here because I'm not using assertions. I just controlling the UI, that's it. This class represents the login page of the application. According to POM rule, one web page is equal to one class for the particular page. Okay, for login page only. We declare the variable called page. We will store in the Playwright page objects. Use this page, we will interact with the UI. So this page I'm calling as private because I'm using only for this page. Only for this login page, this page will be used. So for that one, I'm calling as private. Constructor is automatically called when we create a you guys know that, right? Constructor is automatically called when we are creating an objects. So in our case, in the test file, I'm calling here, I'm creating the object here. Whenever this is called, it will automatically call this constructor. Okay, and we store the received page objects inside the class. So what are the page objects that I'm getting from here? No, like the page objects, this page. So that will be going here. And this is the main important thing. These are all the methods for entering the username, password, and login button. Enter username. The username is a string that you guys know. I'm just loading here. And this page, see, clears existing text and types new text. So I'm adding fill method here. This dot page, it goes to the particular page, and this is the locator, and the username is I'm giving it a string. Whatever I pass it in the test file, it will be coming here. This method is usable for entering. It will be the same. It acts as the same. And login button. Click button dot submit. Okay, and this is also one of the most important thing. These are all like with locators we are passing. And what this one will do, async login. This is a complete function. And await this dot username. I'm calling this username. Enter username method here, and I'm adding this one as well here. Okay, and the password also here. String. So in the test file, how it will be there? So I want to have assertion as well, and this one as well. Okay, so I'm adding it here. This is the test file to run it, and I'm importing the login page from there. And test defines one test case. I'm writing a test. Playwright automatically gives a fresh browser page. You guys know that page represent new browser tab. Okay, only for that particular browser, and we are navigating to one URL here, and I'm creating an object for the login page. So what it will do, we pass the page object into the constructor. Okay, so it will go to that constructor, and login page can control browser actions. That's it. We call the login method. So whatever I have added here, I'm calling this particular login method. Login page, await login page dot login. I'm giving the required email and password. So this is how page object model works in real-time scenarios. Just a simple This is the login page I'm creating. So whenever I want to log in, I will just create an object for the login page and I will log in. That's it. Okay. For example, I have 5 test files like this. I just need to do these things. That's it. So this is how the page object model works. Thank you guys. This is just a part one, and I will upload advanced scenarios as well. Automation, as an automation engineer, you should always use this reusable things only. Everywhere we will be having that page object model only. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts or queries, just put in the comment section. I will check it. Thank you.